Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to transfer money from Tonkeeper to Bybit. First up, we need to open your Bybit account, and then from here, just click on your profile icon right there at the top right-hand corner of your screen. And once you click your profile picture, then it will open up the next page. And then from here, just need to click on this deposit crypto. So click on the button here. Now on the next page, as you can see, you can now start to choose coin to deposit. So choose the currency you want to send to Bybit. So definitely it's a Ton currency. Then you can choose the Ton network and then sending address will be generated for you. And once done, you can now open the Tonkeeper wallet extension. But if you don't have that Ton extension yet on your Google Chrome, all you have to do here is basically just have to install it. So add a new tab and go to Chrome Web Store. Now go to the search box and type here Ton Wallet. So basically you can use the search box right here to specifically search for it. So Ton Wallet again. And then here you want to choose the first one. Now we can basically click on add to Chrome and then click add extension. And it will basically add to your Chrome extension. And click on create my wallet. So there you go. Now here, you just have to click on the send option. So if you have the balance, then you have the send option. Then paste the wallet address that you get from Bybit, and then paste comment from Bybit. And once done, click on the continue button. And then select the amount of Ton currency you want to send, and make sure or just need to aware of any network fees associated with transfer, and these fees will be deducted from your Tonkeeper balance. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.